If you want to watch Netflix in 4K on your PC, here's how to enable it. First, make sure your computer and display support 4K resolution. You'll also need a Netflix plan that includes Ultra HD streaming. Next, open Netflix in your browser and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Account. Scroll down and open Playback settings. Under Data Usage per Screen, make sure the option is set to High. This enables high-quality streaming, including 4K content. After saving the changes, restart Netflix and play a title that supports Ultra HD or 4K resolution. For the best experience, make sure you also have a fast internet connection since Netflix recommends higher speeds for 4K streaming. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.